We are here in Burnaby, BC to run a 3-day training program called Skills and Careers in Nature-Based Climate Solutions. It's being hosted by Eco Canada. It was scoped out to be a project with transitioning workers, particularly with workers leaving the natural resource sector, oil and gas, mining, fisheries, forestry, and agriculture.
The plan of the program has 6 half-day modules for various introductions to what it's like in their career, what the opportunities are like in their career, how to get into that career.
Acknowledgement here. So Eco Canada's commitment to reconciliation begins with acknowledging.
When you put a new program on, you need A, good content, and B, a good instructor. We have both. You could have great material, but you have to have an instructor that can facilitate and make the people talk, make the people contribute, make the people learn.
We're just having discussions in relation to nature-based climate solutions and how we can take the skills from our previous careers and move them on to nature-based climate solution careers. In big part, it's about understanding this intrinsic mental shift that we need to take as a people to see ourselves in balance with the ecosystem around us and that we are an integral part of it. Learning from the natural processes already in place and taking those and facilitating them to function more readily in the world we have today. And it's part of how we adapt to working.
Taking this nature-based solution course is to deepen my understanding of other ways or solutions that we can address climate change beyond just technology. How best will it be, or can it be, to use nature to solve a nature-related problem?
Always wanted to be in this field, and so seeing this program where it provides training, it creates opportunities to get to know other people in that field, to see what it's truly like, and so it just felt like a no-brainer for me.
Oh, I love it. I think he was super interactive. I think he was super respectful. The way he and the course itself really make everybody very comfortable to talk about it. The inclusive was really good experience.
Had 2 training programs now, so Calgary was last week and this week we're in Burnaby. We have a lot of master's and PhD students. We have newcomers to Canada, have some environmental experience or are interested in the environment.
Protecting our nature has been always my passion. And when I got the email from Evelyn, I didn't hesitate to participate in the course.
We are like a small group, and have these connections can be like really helpful to get jobs, or maybe have like projects that we can work together.
It's so nice to be in like a welcoming space where people from different sectors can like learn and speak to one another. There's no like competition because we're all working towards the same things. Class really sets light on the fact that there are nature-based solutions out there and people are doing work. And so the people in this class might think, wow, maybe I actually have an opportunity to implement some of these in my work.
So it's not going to give you, an in-depth look into nature-based solutions. We can't do that in 3 days, but what we can do is start to change people's mindsets and introduce concepts that will help them in their career and help them find that job in nature-based solutions.